Hi guys. Ano ko i-share sa inyo? So, it's been I think 6 months now or 7 months. I think 7 months na already nga ihang ko kanang 6 months na already na wala na ako, sige, grounded na ako sa si Scott sa phone. Although si Scott ang may problema pag sa phone because he's not responsible. Ako nang gidamay si Court para dili siya maparehas nga unfair. Na dili siya mag-think na gidawdaog siya or unfair para sa iya o ginako. So I have to ground it both of them nga kuha na ko sila og phone. So it's been 7 months nga they never had their phone. So ako ni siyang gihide og pila ka months to learn their mistakes. Kay si Scott, ang ako problema ni Scott, I'm not ang ako problema ni Scott kay the more nga mugamit siya og phone, he's very more aggressive. And kanang dili siya responsible kung tawgon ako siya is mo ni nungdan katong kita mo tong akong video atong nga katong naghila ko dugay na ako siyang gikuan og phone ato niya kanang tungod ani nga phone kabalo na siyang sukol nako magsingang-singang na siya ako tawgon unya mo to nga akong gikuan kaya sa una mo gud ako silang grounded siguro ako silang grounded mga 2 weeks ra 3 weeks or so wala jud ako gikuan this time kanang napuno na jud ko last year 2023 napuno na jud siguro January or December ba to napuno na jud ko ni Scott kay masuko na siya og kanang tawgon niya og magkuan siya manghugas plato dali ang mga hinugasan daghang mantika daghang mumho kay nagdali siya og panghugas kung ako siya suguon Scott clean the table dali kasi makang mga 5 seconds man na siya. So, para dili ko ganahan nga tungod sa cellphone na feed na makuha siya tungod sa duwa niya tapos nag-start na siya og bad words. Nag-start na siya og talking bad words like ng fuck shit or mga censored nga mga kuan kay tungod sa games. So karon siguro naka-learn na sila. I'm kanang nakita man ako nga they're doing good in school na nindot sila og kuan. Atong December mo usap pa tong ako gikuha ang cellphone kay nabagsak siya sa siguro sa nga kuan science man siguro to. Kay kana siya wala na sila problema sa science to or kanang kuan basta sa math may active sila sa math kana English reading mo to or science basta yana nabagsak kay yang graduate 66 ra. So usap pud to nga kuan kay ngano ang phone man good ang phone kanang kuan kanang sa tawon kanang ang kanang games usap pud na maka poison sa behavior sa bata ang og attitude nila og ilang responsibility maka poison jud na makaruhay na sila. So karon ako nang gikuan nga before nila ako ibalik I have them they have to work for it. So I told them 3 days ago that they have to work for it to get it back. But it's just like a show. So because I want them to be, I want to see them that if they are really responsible for it. So ako man so this time I have to control this phone. Ako na siya control they can only use phone 2 hours a day and 2 hours every night. So except sa mga kuan kaya ako na po silang tuluan og unsa pag reply sa mga comment o pag share sa mga video para dili lang ako ra ang kuan or unsaon pag tuluan ako sila o unsaon pag yung anak pag response sa mga kuan kay gusto sila mag-vlog. So karon nami tapos butangan ako sila kasukatan. Ako na silang ihatag. So let's go. Ako na ihatag nila. Are you done, guys?
No.
Scott, are you doing it?
No.
So karon guys, I need to vlog it because I want them to see if how you act when you no I want them to see that this is the way how I discipline you too when it comes to the gadgets.
But my teacher told me you don't know to spell the word. You have to do this.
Okay. So what are you writing here? What are you writing here? I promise I will listen to mom, and I promise I will mama, and I promise I do not. What's this?
Say bad words.
Oh, say bad words. AY. Say bad words.
Say wait, what, Ma?
Say AY.
Oh.
Scott,
A.
you want to get your phone back?
Say bad words.
Say bad words and I promise. You need to write it down.
Wait, this is S.
I promise I will fix my bed every morning.
I will
Fix
F
I
A
X
fix
E
my
E. Okay, I will fix my okay. Oh, it's present. My bed.
My
Bed every morning. Bed.
Wait, this is a B.
B-E,
This
yeah.
is a B.
Yeah.
B
B-E-D.
D
Bed every morning. Every. E-V-E-R.
E
Oh.
V
V. E. E.
E
R.
R
R.
R
No, just Y. Just put Y. Every day.
every
Day. Okay. Okay. I promise
uh,
I will sleep.
sleep
I will sleep inside my bedroom.
sl-
I will sleep. I will sleep.
spell
L.
L
E.
E
E.
E
P.
P.
I will sleep. I promise I will. I promise I will.
Wait, let me fix this. D. Just
So na may mga promising notes dili guys.
There.
Dili to ano. Okay.
Kuya.
Uh,
I'm not going to put it here.
I told you prepare one band paper. Each of you.
There.
Okay.
I
I promise I will
oh I
I will
oh,
Oh,
I forgot.
Mm.
Well,
okay. And
I don't spell and.
I will sleep.
I
I will sleep early at night.
what time?
9:30.
9 at
I will sleep at 9:30.
wait, say again.
I will
I
will
will
sleep
sleep at wait
at
9
9:30. Okay. And then here I promise
Uh.
I promise
I
will be responsible.
I
I promise
promise I oh N I S E
I will be responsible.
wait, spell it please.
I will be
I said spell.
Scott, do I need to coach you, Scott?
Can you please
I
spell?
promise I will be responsible.
Wow, what's responsible?
Responsible to use my phone.
Wait, well,
My
wait.
phone.
Like this,
Oh.
this.
Yeah. Or use my phone. And I will follow
The rules.
Mama's
Rules
rule about the phone.
about
The phone.
the phone.
Okay.
Wait, possible?
2 hours.
2 hours. I thought you said 1 hour
2 hours daytime.
daytime. 2 hours daytime.
2 hours nighttime.
About 1 hour.
Okay. And I promise I will help Mama
Say
and Kuya
kuya.
the
The
house
house
chores
chores.
and
And
my routine
My routine.
and my routine
In my routine.
and my routine
In my routine.
replacing changing
Changing the trash.
changing
Trash.
changing the trash.
You see trash, pick it
Okay.
up.
Okay. And then promise.
Promise.
Then write your name here. Write your name before. Down below. So para kung magkamali mo,
U-R-T.
hurt. Okay. So do you know where you want to put this?
In my room.
No, do not put it in your room.
What?
Put it here. Anywhere here, the papers. So nagkuhan ko na promising papers, guys.
Yeah, you see the and would stick to the wall.
Glue. Put the glue.
I don't want to do.
Oh, you know what you promise, okay? Dali, Scott. Dali. Dali na yun. Ano ko yung promising? Kung saan promise mo? You
I
need...
can spill some of them. That's all.
Huh?
I can spill some of them.
What you can spill, I will promise to listen my mama and I will do the dishes and I will sleep at 9:30. I will follow the rules about the phone.
Rolls.
One call, listen. If I say stop the phone, if you break your promise, you will be grounded for 1 year. Because you are the main reason why I'm grounded. We are grounded.
It put the do not say bad words.
Do not say bad words. Bad words in this house. Only mama.
What about bro? What about bro?
Only
Bro.
mama.
Ba.
I will sleep.
At night.
I will sleep at 9:30.
What about bro? That's a bad word.
I will follow the rules. The rules about phone. 2 hours
Fine.
night a day and
What was it mine?
2 hours night. Always fix your bed.
Yeah.
And every day.
Did every day.
Every day. No screaming. No screaming. No shouting. Okay, ako rin mo shout. If you listen, I will not shout. If I call you one, two, you need to listen to me. Stop all the works. Put the phone down. No shouting.
Ba.
No bad words. No bad words.
Ba. Ba. Yeah, ba. Ba. What about bro?
That's fine. But do not say bad words, same word. Or just only me. Okay?
Just bro?
Yeah, bro. That's fine.
Bro.
No bad words, no shouting. If you break, Scott, if you break this,
Bro?
if you break these rules, you will be grounded again
Ooh,
for a long time.
long time.
If you are not responsible for a long time.
Yeah.
Don't be grumpy. If I call you while you're playing, don't be grumpy. Do not make your face on me.
Ano
Huh?
ba?
Because I'm vlogging this. If you fail, and I have to remind you, I have to show this video to you.
Yeah, I told you many times. At home.
Write your name here, and write your name above. Promise. Okay.
Yeah.
Scott, and here.
Stick this one to the wall. Oh, show it.
You're already 14 years old, Scott. You know what to do.
Ma, show them.
So, ako na sinang ng upuan, guys, para magtanda na sila. So, you need to remember your promises here. Every time, if you think you're breaking the rules, you have to remember. Always read this one.
Okay.
Your promise.
Oh, every day.
Yeah, always listen. Always kuan.
Okay.
Okay? So, I don't know where is your phone. If this one or this one, you need to charge it because it's already battery. So, what?
This is scored. This one is scored.
This one is scored. So, what will you say?
Thank you,
Thank you,
Ma.
Ma.
What will you say?
Thank you.
Oh, give me a hug.
Okay, give me.
Okay, this is yours, Kuya Scott. And this is yours, Scott, for tea. Okay. And, okay. Always remember your promises. So that, no, I will not shout or I will not scream. If I call you twice, you have to listen to me. Okay? Remember 9:30?
Yeah.
2 hours? Only 2 hours. Using phone.
Morning 2 and not night.
2 hours?
Evening.
2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at daytime. It depends. If you're doing good at daytime, I will extend your time. If you're not, just only stick for the 2 hours for now. Not for now. If 2 hours is not for
Saturday nighttime.
if 2 hours daytime and 2 hours in the nighttime. Okay? If you're doing good, if you're listening to me, I will just it's just only a testing. 2 hours is just only a temporary. Okay? If you're doing good, if you're listening to me, and I will extend the time until you
Wait,
learn.
what's
Okay?
extension?
I will give you more time to use the phone. Okay? I will put alarm clock on that phone every 2 hours. Nighttime, and
I don't know how to put.
I will put it charge it first.
I don't have my charger.
Okay?
I got charger.
I'm gonna pee.
Okay? Remember while you're playing the phone, only 2 hours playing the phone. Okay? If you're doing good, if I will tell you, if I give you an assignment, and if you are going to follow it, I will. You need to work. If you need more time, you need to work for it. Okay? For example, Kurt, you after 2 hours you will say, Ma, I need to. Okay, Kurt, I want you to do this, read book for 30 minutes or something like that. So everything you want it's not free from now on, so that you will learn how to be responsible when it comes phone. Okay? Because remember what I told you, Scott and Kurt. This phone, not supposed the games will gonna poison you. Okay? And if I will tell you, Scott, Kurt, read the books, write. Okay? Read books and write, and
You need just
practice writing. Then you have to do it. Okay? If you're not listening to me,
Go math.
math, and because this is your bonding. If I will tell you that, that's the time that you need to and Kuya Scott bonding
But
about
every day you
reading.
have to say please.
Yeah, you have to say
Can you
please.
please open the case, please? Can you open the case, please?
Okay. Here.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay. No bad words and everything.
Okay.
I am the only have an authority here to say bad words,
Sam,
but not you and Kuya Scott. So mao na guys nga they get their phone. Are you happy? Are you happy? Why your face like to show them?
And Kuya knows, you see that? You see that? And Kuya knows.
Kuya knows that it was yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Na may charger diri usas ka.
Not that one.
Oh, dili ni mo.
Where's
Ano niya?
Dapat na kung sa.
No, there's no. Ngano man yung pili ng burot. So muna na sila guys, nabalik ko nila ilang phone. So ako na lang testingan o gilabang buhat tumano na ilang mga promising. Na rin ako. Muna yung kasulatan nga para di na sila mag-grounded.
Ma, did you put on the phone?
Pag klase na ninyo sabot daan, i-minimize na ko ang inyong oras, okay? Pwede mo magawa og phone, but you have to study first.
It
Uy, usam di mo gipanghahay kay dira. Okay guys, so ingani ko dugay pud nga panahon nga ako silang gikuanan nga I think this is the time ako nang ibalik because we're doing good. We've been cleaning the kitchen this morning. This afternoon.
I vacuumed the floor.
Yeah, vacuum the floor and Quest got to na routine mo ang every Saturday nga mag cleaning sa house o na gusto nako kanang limpyo ang balay. Not really totally limpyo but when I see it like there's no kalat. Nga na ba? Di ko makita ko mga basura sa mga kuan ana. So mao na to. Yung gusto lang nako i-share guys, yung anak nako sila gi kuan kay kanang dili ko gusto nga mag-abusar sila sa akong gi hatag nga chance. Ayaw niya ko usali akong hatag nga chance. Because if you abuse it again, I will never give the phone back. You will be grounded forever. Okay? So you have to listen, you will need to learn. Scott, samot na ka. Huh? Because you are the big subject here. Ako lang gi-grounded og kuan si Court kay I don't want you to think that Court is my favorite.
No, you love us equally.
Yeah, I love you equally.
Yeah.
Okay? Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's ball.
Hmm?
Let's ball.
Huh?
Let's ball.
You're what?
Let's ball.
You're small?
Yeah.
Because you're still 8 years old.
I wear the pants.
So, dugay-dugay pa sila nga kuan, dugay-dugay pa sila nga wala nakagamit ana. Murag 6 months or 7 months. Mura to guys. Amo na akong i-share sa inyo. Nga ingon na mo nang ingon. Dili ko ganahan guys og kana ang kuan sila mamulat sila sa gadgets. Unya that will kuan kanang makuha nilang behavior, ma-poison nilang mga behavior, mga attitude nila, ilang mga batasan. Kay mao mo ko na kasalanan ko sa mga bata nga kanang masugon sila suguon. Which is Scott, he was started doing that and saying bad words. So that's really makes me mad because I don't want them to kanang maanad sila ana kay di ko ganahan maanad sila hangtod pagkada ko ilang batasan.
Yeah, bro. It's sad. That's sad.
Huh? What? I need to create new Gmail. Okay, bye guys. Well, thank you. Gikapoy ko sa among trabaho ganiha, puti mo kuskus sa among kusina. Kuan ako i-show lang nako among nahuman ganiha. So the floor is already vacuumed. Oh, pick up the pillows. And the kitchen is already clean.
Where's the
It's already clean here. And the kitchen.
Do I need to
And-
do medicine?
And the dining room is already clean. Akong gibabad ang silig og daspan kay akong gasan. Tapos ugma magtiwas mi og dili ko may magma. Yeah.
Can I do it tonight?
No, tomorrow. No, tonight. Ugma rami magmap sa kusina kay maglaba pa mi sa mga plate, mga floor mat atos gawas. Nya magdahit mi mahugaw gihapon. Unya, human ko labas sa mga brief sa mga bata. Human ko limpyo sa among inodoro. Ayan, limpyo na inodoro namo. Then our kwan is clean. So diri na sa mi naka-focus kay mostly dito mi maglimpyo sa taas kay ato mi matulog no. So pag sa taas guys, pag sa taas, ang among role sa taas is mag-iiyan na may panlinis sa mga kwarto. Para that's a good idea nga para maka-learn sila kung sa pagpalimpyo sa kwarto nila and para mas dako dito kaysa diri. Dili kini mag-general na nimo among pili ko sa kwartuan nami. Mas tinabangay nami og limpyo diri paabot sa ubos. So that's all for today's video guys.
Yeah, but can you?
Hope you learned something from it. Bye.
Can you please go on our phone?
No, charge it first. Full battery, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.